What's up, y'all? It's your girl oshaNATAE here, and today I'm coming to you guys with a simple everyday makeup look. I did not like the way I did my eyes, but I mean, it is what it is. So first I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face using my daily moisturizer. Next I'm going to work on my eyebrows. I'm using NYX Dip Brow on my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty concealer. I believe it's in the shade 410. Absolutely love this concealer. It's really creamy and it matches me so well. I looked at the camera because I got some on my eyelash, as you can see, and I was like, really? Are you serious? So I'm just going to blend that out with a little flat shader brush and make it blend in. Make sure I'm carving out my eyebrows pretty well, and make sure I'm not missing any parts, cleaning up as much as I can to make my eyebrows look really good. I did not mention, but at the top of my eyebrows, I did use my foundation shade to shade in the top of my eyebrows and carve out the top. Then I'm going in with my NYX setting spray and mixing that on my face. Going in with my Maybelline Foundation in the shade 368. I believe that's deep golden, my favorite shade. It's like my perfect summer shade. Look at that coverage. It's absolutely flawless. And I literally can't do much of anything really. My son is always right there, as you guys can see. I love him to death. I don't imagine myself without him. But sometimes I'm like, come on, guy, can you please move? Now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place concealer and dab that under my eyes, down my nose, and on my chin. After that, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer and dab over the same spots I put my Juvia's Place concealer. Then I'm going to grab a brush, mist it with some setting spray, because I do not like using dry brushes on my face. I like them damp. So I'm just going to dab in all of my concealer spots. And once I get to my eyes, I get a smaller concealer brush and do the same thing over again. Once I was finished blending out the concealer with that brush, I used the same brush to go into my setting powder to set my concealer. Now, I felt like that was kind of a mistake because I really didn't get the effect that I really wanted, that I usually get when I use a beauty blender, which is okay. I mean, this look still came out pretty good, but I just won't do it again. Next, I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place palette and take the deep dark brown that's in there and put that in all over my lid. And then I'm going to go into my NYX colorful palette and grab a yellow and just pack that onto the center of my lid. and finish off the look. Once I looked up for the second time working on the second eye, I was like, oh, I really don't like the way this is looking, but let's go ahead and go with it. I finished the look off with my e.l.f. liquid liner, and then I added some lashes that used to be on my website that I had laying around. If you know me, you know I absolutely love a nude lip, whether it's matte or glossy. So today I was taking the Juvia's Place brown lip liner, and then I used the L'Oreal matte lipstick in the center and topped it off with NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline, a brown girl's favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment for more.